Welcome to JH. You may have noticed the PWR Posture Align Pro appearing frequently across the internet lately. This device promises to correct your alignment, increase self-assurance, alleviate head pain, and enhance your breathing, all while delivering visible changes in under 60 days. While these advertisements make it sound like a breakthrough, the reality is quite different. The brand describes it as a groundbreaking, lightweight, and comfortable tool designed to pull your shoulders back and straighten your spine. However, looking closer reveals some concerning details. You can find the exact same item on wholesale platforms like Alibaba for just a few dollars, yet this company sells it for $59 or more. Their website uses aggressive sales tactics, including fake countdown clocks, constant low stock warnings, and endless pop-up notifications for limited deals. Furthermore, the customer feedback seems unreliable. Despite claiming they were featured on major networks like USA Today or Fox News, there are no actual links or proof to support these statements. Essentially, this is a basic dropshipping business hidden behind fancy marketing. Medical professionals note that while posture braces might offer temporary support, they aren't a permanent solution. Relying on them too heavily without doing corrective exercises can actually weaken your back and worsen your condition. Ultimately, the PWR Posture Align Pro is just overpriced hype. It is better to avoid this purchase and consult a physical therapist or chiropractor for a proven solution instead.